Pulling one of your Canva designs into a mockup doesn't have to mean downloading the design first, but a lot of people don't realize there's a faster way. The long version of this process usually looks like this. Download the design, switch to your other design, upload the downloaded file, find it in Uploads, drag it into your mockup. It works, but it's more steps than it needs to be. There are two faster ways to do this, and both skip the download step entirely. One uses a feature built into the Share menu, the other uses a Canva app. They both get you to the same place, a flattened image of your design ready to drop into your mockup, but through slightly different paths. The first option is copy to clipboard. Open the design you want to use as an image, whether that's your lead magnet cover, a social graphic, or whatever you want to pull into the mockup. If your design has multiple pages, make sure the page you want is selected before you continue. If it's a single page design, you're good to go. Then go to Share in the top right corner, click See All, and choose Copy to Clipboard. Click the button to copy, and Canva generates a flattened image of that page and puts it on your clipboard. From there, go to your mockup design and use the Paste shortcut on your keyboard, Command-V on a Mac or Control-V on Windows. The image lands on the page, and from there you can drag it directly into a frame or grid or drag it onto a mockup element to place it inside. One thing worth knowing, animations, video, and audio won't be captured. The image will be copied as a static image. The second option is the Design to Image app. Instead of copying to your clipboard, it converts your design to an image and saves it to your Uploads folder inside Canva, so you can pull it into any design without downloading it to your computer first. Open the design you want to convert, go to Apps in the left-hand navigation, and search for Design to Image. Once you've opened it, choose your file type. Ping works well for most mockup use cases, and if your design has multiple pages, select the page you want to export. And Canva processes the image and saves it to your Uploads. Once it's done, you'll see a preview of the exported image inside the app panel, along with an Add to Current Page button. If you're already in your mockup design, you can click that to place it directly onto the page. If you want to use the image in a different design, open that other design, then go to Uploads in the left panel, find your flattened image. From there, drag it into your frame, grid, or onto your mockup element. So which option should you use? Both options are quick, and the main difference is whether you need the image again after this. Copy to clipboard puts it on your clipboard, and that's it. Once you paste it, it's not saved anywhere. Design to image saves it to your Uploads, so if you want to use it in other designs down the road, it'll be there. Either way, you're skipping the download step entirely. Once you've done it this way a few times, the old method feels like a lot of work for no reason.